Many of you come with different backgrounds and experiences when it comes to the reproductive system, whether it be from another health class or a biology class. And so we just try to provide an overview of both male and female reproductive systems and highlight, again, the main concepts, the main parts, the information that we believe should be reviewed. And if something is new here, we believe it will help you make better decisions. Before we get into specifics of the female and male reproductive systems, just some interesting information. A lot of times I'll get questions about how are twins and conception and that kind of stuff. So let's just start there. What are the three types of twins and how are they produced? First of all, we have identical twins, all right? And identical twins are the result of one egg being fertilized by a single sperm. And then during cell division, these cells will divide and the embryos will split, each continuing to develop. They have the same genetic material from their father, from the sperm, obviously the same egg, and they will continue to develop and become identical twins. If you have fraternal twins, it's multiple eggs and multiple sperm, either naturally or with fertility drugs. Medical advances allowed us to be able to have multiple eggs released from ovaries at a time. And if they're fertilized and attach themselves to the endometrium, you can have multiple pregnancies. So those, again, are fraternal twins. The other thing is just a couple different questions to try to get you thinking, and these answers will be on the last slide. But again, just some main points and about concepts and parts of the reproductive system. Another thing is that the male body produces sperm from the time that a young man reaches maturity, physical maturity, until death. But over time, just like anything, their body doesn't always work perfectly. It is a pretty amazing process. However, if there's about 400 million sperm in a single ejaculation, the production of sperm is a continually ongoing process. And I just want to draw attention to the different parts of the sperm. And again, this is a little bit of biology. I'm not going to get into the specifics of each, but on the bottom of this diagram, you can see that the sperm has primarily three main parts. And also, because sperm are produced at a very, very high rate in the millions and multiple millions, a lot of times the sperm will be abnormal, and you can see that. Just want to draw attention. Sometimes when kids see that, they'll make some assumptions about it, but an abnormal sperm will not cause a birth defect. It won't impregnate, or it won't fertilize an egg. The egg is extremely protective of what it allows in, and none of these abnormal sperm, in fact, most of them will never even reach the egg. The next slide, I would like you to click on it and just watch a short introductory video, and then I will be back following that.